In certain cases, it may be necessary to display or set one individual bit of a word or Dword type tag. To do this, proceed as follows. Open a screen and insert an object, for example, a display. Assign the display object with the tag to be monitored. Open the object's command tooltip and insert the one syntax in the input expression code field to read-write the tag's 1 bit. Much of this procedure is the same as used for pointing to individual array tag and elements. In this case, after having associated the array variable to the object, you must insert the number of items to be pointed to the expression field by specifying the number enclosed within the square brackets. For example, to point to the first array element, being the 0 element, you must insert the 0 syntax. Proceed in this way. Open a screen and insert the object, for example, display object. Assign the display object with a tag to be monitored. Open the object's command tooltip and insert the 0 syntax into the input expression code field to read-write the 0 element of the array tag. The display will display the array tag 0 element in the project runtime.